Dear children, welcome back to English Literature class. So, we are doing the chapter The Storm, and let's continue on page number 66. So, we have seen till now that the master's business took a long time and they started for home late in the afternoon. And by the time the weather had become worse, it was a bad stormy weather, and the master was getting nervous. The master decided to take a different route home, one that passed through a wood. Underline wood, wood means forest. The master decided to take a different route back to home, which passed through the forest, as the gatekeeper had warned near the bridge not to go from there. As we went along, the cracking of loose branches and the shrieking of the stormy wind together made a frightful sound. So as they were moving from the through the forest, the cracking of loose branches and shrieking, underline shrieking, the screaming loudly, the sounds of the strong winds. Together it made a frightful sound, scary sound. Frightful means scary. I wish we were out of this wood, said my master. So the master of the Black Beauty wished to move out of that forest as soon as possible. Yes, sir, said John. It is dangerous. One of the branches might fall on us. John had hardly spoken these words when an oak tree fell down with a roaring and a crackling sound. So John said that yes, it was dangerous to be in the forest and one of the branches might fall on them. The moment he had spoken these words, what happened? An oak tree fell down with a roaring, loud sound and a crackling, underline crackling, that the sound made by the breaking tree. Crackling sound made, and what happened? The tree was uprooted and it just fell across the road and right in front of them, blocking their way. I was quite frightened. Underline frightened. Frightened means scared. But I did not turn around or run away. I stopped where I was and shivered in fear. Underline shiver. Shiver means to shake. So Black Beauty was scared but did not turn around or run away. Black Beauty just stood there and shivered in fear. That was very close, said my master. What shall we do now, John? So John said, Master said to John that their lives were saved. Now what should they do? Well, sir, replied John, we can't go over or around the tree. There's no other way but to go back to the wooden bridge. Now their path was blocked. So John said that they didn't have any other option. So they had to go back to the wooden bridge. So we went back to the bridge. It was quite dark, but we could see that the middle of the bridge was under water. My master did not stop because he knew that this sometimes happened during floods. So they went back to that wooden bridge, and it was very dark. They could not see. The middle of the bridge was underwater. My master did not stop because he knew that this sometimes happened during flood. So as it had rained heavily and the bridge was underwater, maximum part of bridge was underwater. We were moving at a good speed, but the moment I stepped on the bridge, I knew there was something wrong. I stopped and did not move forward. Okay, now Black Beauty was moving at a good speed, but the moment Black Beauty stepped on the bridge, Black Beauty could make out that something was wrong and decided not to move forward. My master hit me lightly with his whip and said, Go on, Beauty. But I didn't move. Then he hit me harder. I jumped, but I didn't go ahead. Something is wrong, sir. So Black Beauty's master hit lightly with his whip. Underline whip. Whip is a strip of leather. So the master hit Black Beauty with a strip of leather and told him, Go on, Beauty, to move further. Yes, but Black Beauty did not move. Something is wrong, sir, said John as he got out of the cart and came to me. So John said that something must be wrong, and he came down to see the horse, the Black Beauty. He tried to make me walk, but I wouldn't. Black Beauty did not move from there. Come on, Beauty, what's wrong? So John also asked, What was wrong? Of course, something was wrong with the bridge, but I couldn't tell him. We'll continue next in the next video.